Welcome and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time being here, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'll be showing you how to make photo keychains using your Cricut cutting machine. Now if that is something you're interested in, continue watching. Now these are the keychains that we are about to make. This is a video showing them up close. I do hope you enjoy the tutorial. Let's look at the materials. Okay guys, so the materials you're going to need for this project, you're going to need vinyl sticker paper. I got this from Amazon and this is the Aviva brand. There are 30 sheets that came into this and it is for your inkjet printer, and this is the matte version. You're also going to need clear vinyl. I also got this on Amazon and it comes like this. It comes in a roll and it was all rolled up like this. You're gonna need clear vinyl. You're also going to need these acrylic keychains, blanks. I got these also on Amazon and these are the round ones. I also have the different other ones with different shapes, but the ones that I've been doing today is the round ones, and they come with these little keychain, the different sections for the keychain, and also tassels. So come with tassels. You're also going to need your cutting machine, and you're also going to need an inkjet printer. You're also going to need an inkjet printer. Okay guys, we are in Cricut Design Space. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to upload the photos that I'm going to use. So I have these photos saved in my recent uploads, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on view all, and then I'm going to search for the ones that I want to use. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to add it to my canvas. Okay, so after I add the ones that I want on my canvas, I'm going to press view. Okay, so what I'm going to do, they're going to come in big. So I'm going to size these these photos. I think this one's a little too small. Okay, after I size my image, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go over here where it says shapes, and I'm gonna take a square. I'm going to unlock, let me take my view down. I'm going to unlock this square and I'm going to put the print then cut option that Cricut Design Space allows. So it's gonna be 6.75 by 9.25. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to see how many of these keychains that I can get. And I know if they hold in this box right here, then I will not have a problem when I go to make them. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here again, and I am going to grab a shape. I'm going to grab a circle because the keychains I'm using, they're circles. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make my circle as large as I want to see how best I could get most of our picture in. I think that is okay. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these out the way I'm gonna show you what to do, okay? So now I have this picture selected and this and my circle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight both the picture and the circle, and I'm gonna go down here where it says slice, and I'm going to slice it out. So this is what I want, okay? And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to duplicate it, one for the back and one for the front. Before I duplicated it, let me size it. So the size that I need is 1.98, and it's a circle, so it's automatically gonna go to 1.98 by 1.98. I do not want to make it fully 2 inches because I don't want it to be hanging off any of the keychains. So I believe that 1.98 is okay, and I'm gonna duplicate it. The one that I duplicate, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go up here where it says flip, and I'm gonna flip it horizontally. So this here would be the first keychain. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the second one. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna make the picture large, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my circle behave, and I'm gonna try and get as much as I can out of these pictures, this circle. You take it down. Another thing you could do, you could send the picture to the back, so you could manipulate it however you want, okay? I think this is okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select both the circle and the picture, and I'm gonna slice it. When I do that, I'm going to have the picture. I don't need this. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna size this picture. I'm gonna size it to 1.98, and I'm going to duplicate it and flip it horizontally. Okay. All right, just ensure that it is not touching anything. I'm gonna take the other picture and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do it one more time, and then I'm gonna do everything, and then I'll show you what else to do. Okay, all right, so now that I have all the pictures that I want, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to delete my circle. I don't need it anymore. And this is what I have. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit on make it. Before I hit on make it, let's take that. Let's before I make it, let's hide the square because we don't need it anymore. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to hit on make it. And what you'll find, everything is printed on one sheet, which is what we want. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to press continue. And I'm going to load my vinyl sticker paper in my printer. I'm using my inkjet printer to do this. Okay, so I am going to send this to printer. And I am going to use system dialog. I'm gonna press print. Okay, when that comes up, I'm gonna press preferences. When it searches for my print, I'm gonna press print preferences. For the paper type, I'm gonna choose HP matte presentation paper, and I'm going to choose print quality to be best, and I'm gonna press OK. Then I'm gonna press print. I'm now gonna show you how you could put the laminate over it. Okay guys, so we went ahead and we printed out our design, or we went and printed out the pictures. What we're gonna do is, before we do anything, we're gonna put the laminate over. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take the measurement, ensuring that it doesn't touch the registration mark. So this looks like about 6.5 inches by 8.5. 6.5 by 8.5. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna cut out that on here. 6.5 by 8.5. So right here, 6.5. By 8.5. Okay. So when you cut it out, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this, and I'm just going to ensure that I'm not covering any of the registration marks. Okay, looks like we're okay, and I'm gonna just mark where I'm putting it. Need to go up a little bit more. You don't want to cover the registration marks. Okay, and I'm going to take off a piece like this. And you're gonna put it down. Now you gotta be careful with this, okay? Okay, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna use your scraper and pull and push it, taking your time. Pull and push. See, I'm taking my time to get all those air pockets out. I'm pulling, I'm pushing, pulling, pushing. Don't want it to get too crumbly in one place. Okay. Sure that all of it is covered. There you go. Then you're just gonna take your scraper and rub it down. Okay, so now this is ready to be cut out. Okay guys, so this is what we have. Remember to put it on a light grit mat, and what you're gonna do, you're just gonna load it in. I have my setting on the light cardstock method, the light cardstock option. If I want to, let me see how well this cuts. If anything, I'll do it a second cut. Okay guys, so we went ahead and we cut it out. Now we're gonna assemble them together. Okay, so we need 6 acrylic keychains. So I have 6 acrylic keychains here. I'm just gonna put these out of the way for now. And what you want to do is, on the acrylic keychains, it looks cloudy. It comes with a little paper over it to protect the keychain. All you have to do, take your weeding tool and pull the tape off. See? This is the tape that comes over it. And what you're gonna do, you're going to take one of the pictures and you're going to match it up on to where the hole is. So ensure that it is straight around that area. You're gonna put it down. Okay? And this is what you're gonna have. I'm gonna take off the other side. See that? I'm gonna get the other one. Ensure that it is straight. There you go. So what this does, what putting on the laminate does, is that it eliminates you going back to cut little circles to put them on. And sometimes when you go to put them on, it doesn't go on straight. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna find the hole. Mine is right here. You could see it poking through. You're just gonna make a hole like this. Okay? And what you're gonna do, you're going to take this little piece right there. So you come with this little piece right here and this little part right here. Then you're gonna take this little piece, put it inside like this in that hole. Then you're gonna take this here and put it in. I'm gonna get the pliers and just close it up. And this is what you'll have. I'm just gonna take a tassel and I'm gonna put it on. I think I'm gonna use black for this one. And there you have it, guys. That's your keychain. I'm gonna do one more for you to see. Take off the thing, the little paper over it. Gonna take another one. You're gonna match it up. Ensure that it's matched up to the, like this. You're gonna take off the other side. There you have it. Then you're gonna poke your hole in there. Okay guys, there you have it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of them.